can barely see myself on this thing because the glare is ridiculous. And I apologize if you see the same thing I'm seeing. But I'm trying to get a good angle here. But today, first of all, I wanted you to give me the hashtag live, hashtag replay. I'm trying to, okay, that's decent. I can kind of see myself. I don't know if you can see me, but hashtag live, hashtag replay to let me know when you're watching this. And today we're going to go into how to, I forgot exactly what I called this, but how to invest and really just 10x your business easily. Okay, easily. A lot of you want to 10x your business. I would say pretty much everybody wants to 10x their business. They want to 2x, 5x, 15x. You know, they want to grow their business. Like there's mountains upon mountains of publications and videos and whatever and gurus that build their entire empire off helping others build their business. So obviously it's huge, right? That's a desire that everybody wants. And I'm going to give you the secret here today. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. But first, I'm going to tell you about when I first started way back in my affiliate marketing days. When I first started, I made a grand total of $0 for the first about 8 months of affiliate marketing, which is really, really common. It's a very common story amongst all affiliates, okay? It's not uncommon, right? It happens to everybody. It takes a long, long time. But I'm going to tell you why it took me so long. Okay, if I would have known this one thing, I actually probably would have started making money right out of the gate. Because the thing is, if I was struggling for those 8 months because I was running around, subscribing to every single YouTube guru out there. I was reading every blog. I was trying every little technique. I was trying every little cheap thing that I could possibly get my hands on. Somebody sent me a message. Hey, whoever that is. Oh, it's Larissa. Hi, Larissa. So yeah, I was trying all that wealthy affiliate, like everything that was like $10, $15, $20. Like I was into it. I was buying into it, little monthly fees, little stuff. Because in my mind, I thought, you know, wouldn't it be great? Wouldn't it be great if I could invest very little and grow this massive empire, grow this massive, you know, passive income stream? And guess what? All the gurus know that. They know that that is a big market. A big market. A big market is charged very, very little because that pool of people is very large, right? It's like most people would love that. They dream of that. Invest like $15 and I make back $10,000, right? Everybody would love that. The problem is you're going to find out, hopefully it doesn't take you 8 months like it did for me. You're going to find out, hey, what's going on, Omar? Let me send him a wave. You're going to find out that that is a fallacy. They're going to find out that that is an illusion. It's not real, man. Like break out of that. It's a delusional way of thinking that you're going to just invest pennies and make, you know, a fortune off that. Like it just doesn't happen. So what ended up happening with me was I actually hired a mentor. I hired a coach. This is a true story. Anybody that knows me remembers this. Okay. I'm not making it up for my own sake. I don't care what you do. I'm just telling you, I hired a mentor. And once I hired a mentor, not only does it work in the sense that because you have so much skin in the game. Now I paid about $3,000 for this mentor. I had so much skin in the game. Okay, I actually put a lot of money into it. Putting a lot of money into something makes you focus on it. Yes or no? Give me a yes in the comment section if you agree with that. If you put a lot of money into something, it makes you pay attention to it, right? If somebody gives you a brand new house for free, you might be liable to just, you know, trash that house. You might just live in it, never clean it up. You really don't give a crap, right? Like you're just like, I got a free house. I got a free car. Somebody just gave me a free car. Gave me a $10 car. You probably won't treat it with any kind of respect. It's human nature. You ever let one of your friends borrow something, a prized possession of yours that you let them borrow? Maybe you were in school, you let them borrow your backpack or something like that. You let them borrow a book. You let them borrow your pencil. I don't care what it was. When it comes back, it has like spit all over it. It has like bubble gum all on the side. It's like, but you can't blame them. It's because they got it for free. There was no skin in the game. There's no investment. There's no reason to really take care of it other than they're just your friend, you know, and hopefully they were a good friend and they took care of it. But most people don't, right? Most people really just don't value something that somebody just gives them. If you go into the unit section in this group, I have a ton of free training in the unit section. Free training. The training you'll find in the unit section is sometimes some of it is better than some of the training you'll find in like $10,000 programs. But will people take it seriously? I haven't found one yet. I haven't found one of you yet that take it seriously and actually go through it and actually implement it into your business. It's not your fault. It's not my fault. It's because it's free. You don't see it as really valuable. So when you put skin in the game, when I invested my $3,000 for that mentor, it made me pay attention. It made me say, you know what? I got to stop subscribing to all these other gurus. I like all distractions went out the window. It made me focus. It made me focus. That's what investing does. It makes you focus on one thing. It's like all these distractions, all this stuff floating around. You go, oh my God, I got to focus. I put a lot of money into this because now it's panic time. The only way I'm going to actually feel like I got my investment worth is that I actually knuckle down, do everything this mentor tells me to do. And I need to make my money back because I don't want to look stupid, right? I don't want to be humiliated. I don't want to be that guy that threw $3,000 out the window. I need to work hard and make this money back. That's what investing does. It puts a fire under your ass. That's what it does, okay? It makes you pay attention and it lights a fire under you. It makes you motivated, makes you go. So a lot of you procrastinate. A lot of you have information overload. You subscribe to everything and read as much as you can. You're never going to get anything done like that because you don't focus. You're not focused. You don't have a set goal in mind. You don't have somebody breathing over your shoulder saying, go. You know, and a lot of people need that. It's the same thing as hiring a fitness trainer. It's the same thing in business. Okay, I wanted to come up with a little challenge here before I get into a little bit of an explanation of what you need to do for your business. Seriously. I want, in the comment section, tell me, right now, tell me any millionaire, any big guru you know out there, anybody who you admire, anybody you look up to. I don't care if it's Grant Cardone. I don't care if it's Tony Robbins. I don't care if it's Russell Brunson. I don't care who you look up to and who you admire. I don't care if it's Bill Gates. I don't care. Find somebody. Give me any name. An example of somebody who built a big business and did not invest in mentorship, coaching, consulting, some way, shape, or form. They got outside help to bring into their business to help them build their business. Give me anybody. Anybody at all. Anybody at all. If I find a name in the comment section, I'm going to call you out as a liar. There's no such thing. And I'm going to tell you why. Because if you were ever in the job world, and most of you were, I was in the job world too. We're all taught when we're growing up. We're all taught that time is money. We're all used to putting our time in to make money back. So we see money, we perceive income as I had to work to get that. Okay? That's all we know. But when you're an entrepreneur and you flip that mindset, you have to start thinking the reality is money is time. It's the other way around. Entrepreneurs understand that when I invest money, when I pay for something, I'm actually buying time. I'm actually buying time. I can't make more time. I can't make more time. You can't make more time. You have 24 hours in a day. You have 24 hours in a day. That's it. You cannot ask God for another hour. You have 24 hours in a day. When you hire a coach, when you hire a consultant, when you get a mentor, when you pay for whatever other kind of an ad agency, I don't care what you do. What you're doing is you're buying more time. You're leveraging that other person's knowledge. You're leveraging that other person's expertise, their experience. You're buying thousands upon thousands of hours of extra time that you would have had to put in yourself. But you're saying, hey, you already put in the time. Let me just pay you to do it for me. That's power. That's investing. That's how you build your business. If you go to McDonald's, like, you know, legitly, yes, you can go home and like make your own quarter pounder, right? You can go home and make your own quarter pounder, put the little, you know, bun and make your little burger on the grill, and you can put your cheese and lettuce and tomato and all the other good stuff that you want on your quarter pounder, right? You can make your own. You don't need to go to McDonald's, but do you really want to? In your brain, you're the driver. You're thinking, well, I could just pay somebody to do it for me. I could just pay their staff, their team, their machines, everything that they have in place, their whole structure, they have a system already built out. I don't have to make the quarter pounder myself, right? So what you're paying for is for them to do it for you very quickly. You're leveraging time. You could have spent all that time making it yourself, but you paid for someone else to do it for you. That is how you build a business. That is how you build a business. At every stage, you know, when I was at zero and I was making some money from work, I put my money together. I spent $3,000. I spent $3,000. I made back $5,000. You know, I spent maybe another few thousand. I made back $10,000. I spent another few thousand. I made back $20,000. It's because I constantly kept investing in my business. I kept bringing outside help in to show me what I need to do. Instead of like sorting through thousands of books and like studying everything myself and taking forever, you know, it's been about a year later and a $20,000 month doesn't seem that hard to me. It's just like, now it's like, what's the next plateau? I need to invest again. I need someone to show me what is the next thing I need to do. Okay? That's investing. You're constantly doing that. You're going to constantly be doing that. So if someone comes to you and they say, hey, here's what I can do. Here's my level of expertise. Here's what you need in your business. And you're thinking in your head, okay, I'm going to give them $25 and they're going to give me back $100 because that's investing. You're going to make money back. You got to stop thinking like everything's an expense. I get clients all the time who think that something is an expense. Like, oh, I can't afford that. You can't not afford it. You can't not afford it. And that's not just with me. I don't care who you hire. You can go out there and like get some other coach or whatever. It's not just about me and like me saying like I'm the only one that can help you. I don't care what help you want. But you got to start thinking about it logically. You got to start thinking about it logically. Can I do this on my own? Yes. Of course you can. You can build your business on your own, but you can also go out to the forest, chop down a bunch of trees, chop those trees down into smaller pieces, right? Grind those pieces of wood into sawdust, curate the sawdust, treat it until it turns into toilet paper. You can do all that. But what do most people do? What do most people do? They go to the store and buy already made toilet paper because the alternative is a fucking pain in the ass, right? You don't want to do that. When you spend money, you're buying time. You're buying speed. Let me just get this done now. I constantly see people who I talked to 6 months ago. Well, I'm struggling. I need help. Okay, well, let me help you. Here's my cost. Let me jump in and just fix all this for you right now. 6 months later, they're still on my friends list saying, I still need help. Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. This is business. This is your life. Stop trying to find the easy way out. Stop trying to find, you know, well, maybe if I push this button, oh, there's like a little $12 ebook. Maybe it's like the next big thing. It doesn't exist. It doesn't exist. All right. So with that being said, good luck to all of you. You know, I know sometimes I express like some kind of anger and like frustration. It's not for me. I get frustrated because I see a lot of potential out there. A lot of you have great skills. You have passion for your business, but you're just one step away. You're one step away and you won't pull the trigger. Not just with me. I don't care. Like I said, there's plenty of other options out there. There's plenty of other good coaches and consultants out there. You can choose one that you admire, that you think will help your business. That's fine. I'm not going to be offended, but I just want success for you. When you care about other people more than they care about themselves, it gets really frustrating. All right. And I've been where you've been, you know, and I can see a little bit in myself in you sometimes. So with that being said, all right, you guys have a great day. I'm going to walk into this hellhole over here. I'm over here at CrossFit sitting in the car. I thought I'd jump on and say a few things, saying hi to everybody in the comment section. Thank you for coming out. And you know, you guys have a great Labor Day weekend if you're in the U.S. I don't know if they celebrate that everywhere. I don't think they do. But all right, you guys take it easy. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.